Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your speaker JBL Flip 5. You can play and pause the song by pressing play pause button one time. So I'm just play song. Okay, let's work with it. So I just press one time and I pause the song, and again I play song. If you press two times, you will play next track. 1, 2. That's it. Now you can increase the volume by pressing one time at the plus button, and as you can see, I just increase the volume. And again. And you can lower the volume by pressing one time on the minus button. Right here I missed it, but not you. So just press again, and as you can see, it worked. And this button, the last one, fourth, is to enable and disable PartyBoost. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!